and this time you're gonna see me flip this super old and disgusting rug into literally a designer piece. Welcome back to our nursery room makeover. You have been seeing me transforming this room, starting from the walls, making boisery, and now it's finally to take care of the floor. I decided that I wanted a shape that was way more natural instead of a simple square, but using a very old simple rug. So you can do this with any piece you have at home. Is literally flipping your carpet upside down. You do not want to work on this on the normal side, but you need to work on the back this way. First of all, you're gonna destroy less hair, and second, once you take out your marker and you can go and draw on top your shape, you're not gonna damage the frontal side and nobody's gonna see what you have been working on.
Official. It's half the speed.
With the old one?
Yes. It's 16, I just said it now.
That's a big difference.
And 44 with the new one.
Wow. I'm gonna take my phone with you. What do you think?
Go. Okay.
Once you have the drawing that you like, and again, we're drawing on the back, so if you don't like it, you can go and draw over and over till you have the perfect shape. It is time to take out your scissors or a precision knife, whatever is more comfortable for you. I have to say that it started being a little of a tedious job, and it took me forever to cut the hair away till the moment that I finally understood that you need to cut in between the frame of the rug, but not cutting away the hair. You see now that we're zooming in, I am literally going inside the frame or the structure of the rug, not cutting the hair. This is gonna make the thing, this is gonna make the job so much easier and so less messy because there's gonna be so much less hair walking around the room once you're done. I know you love that machine and I don't want to insult it. Mango, move your nose. Mango, please. Mango, vai fora, por favor. Mango, go. It's dangerous. I'm going to cut your nose. Before we go any further, it is super important to give a huge thank you to my Patreon subscribers. Guys, I love you so much, and whenever I can, I put the name of all of you inside my creations. So here I am writing down the name of all of you so that this can stay for eternity inside my rug. Care you are gonna give to the transformation of this rug, you're gonna end up having a lot of hair flying everywhere. So super important, before flipping it is you're gonna have to vacuum the entire thing from the back and also from the front. is done. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Do not forget to subscribe because we're going on with the makeover of this baby room, of my room, and of the entire apartment. So you want to... And you do not want to lose what's coming next. Now, let's go see the result.